Una do my people, make I quickly show una how to autofill for inside Excel sharparly sharparly. So now to start, you go come click for this place now. You click one, enter, two, enter, three, enter, four, enter. You fit continue like this till we go reach the end of the Excel. But that one, e go take time. So now you can't get wetin dem dey call autofill handle for inside Excel and autofill. Na im be say this thing now, if I click am now, right, make I zoom am so that you go see am. See am now. You see this green line? You see am? You see say as I dey put my mouse cursor for here now, e dey change to black. See am na white for here. See am now as I do am now. Let me say I don ready to autofill. I go zoom am out now. Now I go come here now, come drag am. I go drag am reach 50 or make we stop for 60. See am now. Excel don reason am say this thing na number e dey do, na one one space dey inside, dey in between the number. Now you don do am now. E don do am for you now. Make I show you for another one now. So if we wan do am now, if you look this one now, e don do am 1 to 60. Now for another method now, I fit do am make I leave two spaces in between. So this one now I go do 2, 4, 6, 8. Now the thing wey we don talk, we don do now be say we don tell Excel say this thing now na two number dey in between o. I don highlight am now. You don see am? My cursor don change to black again. Drag am. See now, Excel don recognize say na 2 be the difference wey dey inside this number. Make I do the one wey be say na 10. You go see say na the same thing Excel go still do. Now I don grab am. See am now. If I drag am down now, see am. Excel don recognize am say na 10 be the difference wey dey inside. um See am, Excel don recognize am. Na so we dey take do autofill. I go see you for inside of my next video. Thank you.